Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I know it's been a little bit, I haven't posted as much as I wanted to this summer, but been really busy. But I did want to come on here and share with you a swap that I'm participating in, and I had to make a mini embellishment book. So it was really fun. It's been really, I'm not quite done yet. I still have to do some more embellishments in there, but I wanted to come on quick here and just show you what I have so far. Okay, so the theme that I'm doing is kind of like sweets, and it's like a bakery. So that was kind of my thought of what I wanted to do. So here is the here's the embellishment box, and its measurements are, so it's kind of tiny, are like maybe a little over 3.5 by 5 in dimension. So again, it's very tiny and so cute. But what we needed to do was decorate a mini embellishment box, and then in each of the pages we had to do some embellishment. So it had to be embellishment so we can kind of pick off and just be really original. So it was really fun. So I'm going to go show you what I did. Here is the cover, and again, it's not quite done yet, so it's a little bit in the rough state, but I went ahead and found this really cute digital paper online, and it says the Shabby Vintage Cupcake Shop, and I thought that was really cute. And all of the paper that I used in here is from that digital collection. And on the side, here's a little cupcake, and then I put some jemmies right here, and the back is pretty plain. I don't know if I'm going to decorate it or not, but I just kind of like, here I just might go ahead and put like my my sticker that I have with my information back there. So if we go ahead and pop it open, we have a little pocket here. In the video that I learned this from, and I'll go ahead and put it below, a little cookie goes in here. So here is my first page. It has some trays here, and then I have these little cupcakes, and I use little bows so my partner is able just to pluck off each of these little embellishments. And it's really cute. I paper pieced all of these together. Okay, the second one are going to be these little bows, and I've had this tool for a while and I just haven't used it yet, and I don't know why I haven't. It's beautiful. So I went ahead and just made some bows. Here's two, and then I just went ahead and put this one on a little like coffee or hot cocoa mug with some whipped cream on it. And then on this page I went ahead and did some, what do you call these, like little not tassels quite, I can't remember the name of these, but I did a couple of these and tied them on here. And again, going with the color theme, I thought these were really cute. And then I made some banners here, and I used some straws. So these are straws. I think I found these from, I don't know, maybe the dollar store or 99-cent store a while back. So I had some, oh, I should put this here, but I made some of these little banners, and they have, each of them they're basically kind of the opposite colors. So this is the pink one, and this is the pink one, and then this is more of that teal color. So I made little, just little dangles for those. I thought they were kind of cute. And on this page, I went ahead and created this little banner. I went ahead and stitched around it, and then stitched in where the hanging piece goes. And again, using those straws and putting some pom-poms at the end, I went ahead and made this really cute banner. I really like the way that it turned out. And then I used these little sweets. So there's a cupcake, a bigger cupcake, and some lollipops. And these are the dies that I used for these little embellishments here. This is from Jessica Scott, and it is the sweet treats. And these I purchased off of Frank Garcia Studio. This was a while back, and that was the price back then. I don't know if they're still on his website or not, but I think I actually got those when they were on clearance or something. And so I did, again, here's a little lollipops, the cupcakes, and this little star, and then it says, have a sweet day. Okay, and then here I'm just going to go ahead and paste it on here, or just go ahead and probably set it with some little dots, some removable dots here. And then I have just some blank pages. I'll show you what it looks like. Here's the digital paper that I used from the collection, and I'll go ahead and put that below as well. And then here's some more, just such cute paper. And that's it. And I still have to finish off this. I wanted to wait to see how thick I was going to go ahead and make it, so then I made enough room for my tie to go over. Then I use these We Are Memory Keepers eyelets. These are the larger ones. So that's it. I just wanted to share this with you. Wanted to make that video because I was really excited to share it. I need to get this out here pretty soon. And this actually swap is going to be an anonymous swap, so it's going to be fun because we're not going to know who our partners are. So I hope that you have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.